Yeah.
I know.
The voice and everything.
Cholo slang. I need that.
You need to be louder.
I do. Like
Do it like you was just doing. You was doing like perfect. You gotta sound like him. You know, change your voice when it's necessary. Change your voice. No, you was just doing it just exactly how you was doing it before the camera came out. Pretend it's not here. Pretend I'm just holding it and you're telling us the story.
Okay. All right.
I'm dying on purpose.
All right, Dino. Can you please keep it down?
Because also I didn't know how to.
All right.
Cholo swag. I need that.
You said it wrong.
Dino, can you move please?
I need those. No. Cholo swag. I got that. Blue sneakers. Spaghetti. I eat that. Icardi. I watch that. Then the other guy's Django. He goes, this shirt I got from your closet. Man, that was my favorite shirt. Man, no. I got a picture of your girlfriend tatted on my shoulder. Man, talk about my girlfriend. Nah. There, that's all.